Hi guys, today in this video I am going to show you how to unbox Fastrack Reflex. So let's get started. As you can see, this is Fastrack Reflex box. I have bought this rupees 1999. Remember guys, if you are buying the Fastrack Reflex, I will recommend you to buy it from a store or Fastrack store itself. So as you can see, this is Fastrack Reflex. See guys, as you can see, this can count on your steps, how much you have burned calorie, this can tell. This is the distance, how much you have traveled. This is stopwatch. This is the percentage, how much exercise you have done. This is your mood, that does not matter. This is alarm, and this is phone calls notification. Many of you might have a query that is it an ideal Fastrack fitness tracker? Technically the answer is no. But if you have a budget up to 2000, then you are right. You can. Some of them might have queries that it is water resistance. The answer is yes. So guys, this watch comes with water resistance IPX6. So guys, let's do an experiment. This is a watch and I'm putting it into water. Remember guys, if you are a deep diver, I will recommend you not to wear this watch while diving. See guys, it has water resistance up to 1 meter of water level. See, this is working inside this. See? Okay guys, now let's dry it. Remember guys, if the watch is wet, you please dry it, otherwise a fluctuator can occur. So remember guys, if you are a deep diver, you can wear this watch. Guys, I was just kidding, don't wear it. Let's dry this watch. You can take a towel. Remember guys, if you are fitness addicted and have a great budget, so you can have a great budget, so you can add Fitbit, Fossil or Xiaomi fitness band. Fitbit is a very good fitness band. It comes up to 10,000 to 20,000. Fossil is very cool and formal, and it comes with a great budget up to 20,000 to 21,000. Guys, Fitbit budget is same as Xiaomi's budget. And guys, if you are middle range budget, you can try Timex fitness band, but I will recommend you to buy Fastrack Reflex. Now guys, it's time to me to leave. So guys, if you have any further queries, you can write down in the comment box. And you can subscribe it for more videos and hit the bell icon as well as. Thank you.